My wife got a blue light. It's pretty cool. It sets an atmosphere. Hey babe, what'd you just do?
I beat my high score.
Yeah?
Beat the highest score in America. Oh! Subway Surfers. It's just, I want to see my high score. Come on!
You gonna show it?
Not yet. I'm still opening up boxes. I got a lot of the boxes.
Oh, okay. What? Super high score? Dang. Numero uno. That's you. Numero uno.
In America, top runner, Mendy.
New blue light, and so we've been using the blue light, and then I was separating the Skittles because my wife does not like the green Skittles. So I found out with the blue light, these all look like they're one color, but they're not. And then I went ahead and grabbed all the green ones, but they're not. There's some yellow ones in there, so I have to resort these and put the yellow ones with those. Yeah. Look at them, they're gigantic. We're getting firewood. Oh man, they're so big. Look my finger. Them. Oh, they're so big. Oh yeah. Oh well, yeah. They're gonna feed somebody or grow into whatever in the world they grow into. Gigantic spider. I'm not gonna put my finger next to that one. You're not gonna find me sizing that one up. That thing's big. Building. Well, they're building a pantry area. Or making the pantry area better. Or building a new pantry. Remodeling the pantry. Remodeling the pantry area, and then there was like some plastic that came with it, and so I used the plastic to make me some plastic nunchucks. Yeah,
Because he's stupid. Hey!
Do attack in Santa Barbara. In fact, you watch the news, right? That's your source of psychic information. It happened. Connor came up. He says, I saw a murder.